Hello everyone! Today we will be making buttermilk crepes.
You can find the recipe in the info box below.
In a big pot or bowl, pour 5 eggs and then add 1 teaspoon of salt.
Beat the eggs with a whisk or a fork so the egg whites and yolk and salt can combine.
Place 2 tablespoons of sugar and use a whisk to mix.
If you would like the crepes to be sweeter, you can add up to 5 tablespoons of sugar.
Now we can add the room temperature buttermilk into the mixture. Currently, I am adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and then I blend in 5 tablespoons of sunflower oil or any kind of vegetable oil that you want.
We may now place in half of the flour. Mix for a little bit and after add the second half. Ideally, you would want to mix the flour and baking soda first.
As I forgot that step, I will add the baking soda later. In all, I used 5 cups of freshly sifted flour.
After, we use a blender to make the dough smooth.
Place in 1 teaspoon of baking soda and blend into the dough. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.
In the future, more recipes for crepes and other things await you. Please be careful as you add the hot water to the dough.
I got 2 liters of boiling hot water ready at the start.
You need to pour the water quickly and in small portions so the egg doesn't cook.
Lastly, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Mix and check the consistency of the dough.
If the dough is too thick, you can add more water.
I don't need to add any more water.
Leave the dough to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. As the dough rests, it gets thicker.
You will need to warm up the pan early on.
Grease the pan with vegetable oil and then cook for 30 to 40 seconds on each side.
My family likes buttermilk crepes because they are soft and tender.
You only need to grease the pan the first 2 times and then you can cook without greasing it.
In the next video, I will show you what 3 fish fillings I used. Thank you for watching.
And see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.